Yeah, you know where this is going, but it's so bloody cool that it deserves this intro. Alright, so this little piece of magic here is an infrared cabinet that I picked up at the local Princess Auto for about 50 bucks. It's actually less expensive than those steaks I just put in. So, here we go. Top shelf. It's probably about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit where the steaks are closest to the grill at the top. Here I didn't have it turned on all the way by accident and almost dropped the steaks. 2 errors on my part. I sped this footage up to make it less painful to watch, so in total it's about a minute on each side at the highest heat, which it is now on, and with that you'll get a really good crust on both sides. And I pulled those steaks out. You can see I'm putting in a thermometer here. I pulled those steaks out at about 105 Fahrenheit, which is blue rare basically, and I tented them, and in about 10 minutes they actually came up in temperature to about 130, which is perfect medium rare. I was very surprised by that. Yeah, the results speak for themselves. This thing kicks ass.